Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to show you how to properly install the Order Book Heatmap Pro indicator. Once you have downloaded the file, you must extract it as shown here. A new folder will be created with the same name as your file. Open the folder. Inside you will find a zip file which contains the indicator, as well as the documentation in PDF format. We will quickly go through the documentation. And there we go. The indicator is now installed and ready to use. Make sure to select column and not indicator, because Order Book Heatmap Pro is linked to DOM data. The indicator is now installed and ready to use. The settings are fully customizable, but we will cover that in a future video.